Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video, I will show how to do xman clause. If you guys not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and then watch the video. I am using 3 pieces of 1-inch alloy steel and 1 bolt. Now mark the sharp edges in all the 3 steel like this. After marking, now cut shaded area using hand cutter machine. So here I am gonna cut this shaded part. So guys, here I have finished cutting all the 3 steels. Now do grinding for sharpness like knife. I am using grinding wheel in machine. As you can see here, I am grinding and here steel getting sharp. Do grinding in all the 3 steel. By using grinding machine, I have smoothened all the edges for our safety. As you can see here, no any sharp edges except front part. Now I am testing whether I am feel comfortable or any sharpness is there. So guys, this is really cool and I am feeling too comfortable. If you want exact dimension of this clause, then check description. I have given link in description. So guys, here is the final step. Take bolt and check the position and angle according to your fingers. If you feel comfortable, then mark the angle and join all the 3 steel with bolt. Here I am joining all the steels with bolt using arc welder. So guys, finally Xman metal claws is ready. If you guys like this Xman claws, then share this video and do thumbs up.